me get this part. Do you want to hear what people think about you? I'm going to read you some comments. Uptown Fancy Girl. So very cute. Beautiful Nia, making me smile once again. As a pretty bow for a gorgeous little girl. Nia, you are truly a sweet little princess. Oh, Nia, you are the prettiest precious angel. Hello, Nia, gorgeously pretty girl. Every inch a paw-fecked princess. Total boss, love the fluffy ears. Absolutely stunning, so pretty. You have the movie star look. What do you think?